This video is about Vika Sketch grid lines and the enhanced versions for Vika 42 and Vika 30. You see some coarse grid lines here. As a matter of fact, let's view. Turn off the Excel grid lines. Okay, the background stuff is gone, and now you've got some coarse grid lines here centered at the shaft. So you can zoom in and see, get a sense of your dimensions for your slots and so forth. This happened to pick 2 inches. No, it must be 1 inch per square because of the size of this. Let's look at the air gap diameter. Diameter is, the ID is 4, pretty close to 4. So that's how you figure out how many inches or centimeters or whatever between major squares. To get the grid lines, when you start out, you don't get any grid lines. But we've got a grid icon here. It says click again to change grid spacing. Well, not the spacing. The spacing is automatic. Fine grids will be turned on now. Okay, click it again and you'll have no grids. Click it again, you get coarse grids. So let's try fine grids. You have to redraw. And now you have fine grids on your sketch. If we hold down Control, move the scroll wheel toward the screen, that magnifies our sketch. Scroll down, scroll, Control scroll, that's as big as it'll go. Now here, you had 2 inches, now you've got a tenth of that, so this is 2/10 of an inch. Okay, so it's 0.2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 1 inch, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. That's 2 inches on the radius, of course, which makes the diameter 4. And that can be helpful in determining where you might be having some problems, or just to verify the dimensions are as expected.